नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली. Affiliated by Swami Ramatirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Good morning, the student of class BSc TY, subject Zoology, paper number 13A, Aquaculture. Name of the paper, Pisciculture. Semester 5th, unit number 3rd, fishing method. Today's topic is recent advances technique of fishing method. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period, we see the fishing craft and fishing gear. In this period, we see that is the recent or advances technique of fishing method, or it is also called unconventional fishing method. They are including the electrofishing method, light fishing method, and fishing by the stunning, etc. The common first two methods are described here. First is the electrofishing method. Popular name is the electrical fishing. Nature, generally the electric current appears to be harmless for the fish. It does not affect the growth, variability and the reproductive capacity of the fish. Advantages or uses of this method. Generally, this electrical fishing method save the time, labor, money and the manpower. Present status of electrical fishing at a present is being successfully used in the several countries and on the commercial scale, both for marine and inland fishing. Generally, this electrical fishing method is based on the following principle. Generally, the electrical fishing and electric field is produced in the water between the two electrodes, that is the anode and cathode. Electrofishing operates on the principle of concentrating fish in a limited area between the electrodes under the influence of an electric field and then collecting fishes by netting or any other device. Concentrating fish under the electric field is based upon behavioral responses or the reaction of the fish to a certain electric current in the aquatic body. The reaction of fishes falling in the electric field to the three types of electric current, that is the DC means direct current, AC means alternating current and IC means interrupted current, is mentioned below. First is the reaction of fishes to the DC or it is also called direct current. When the voltage appears low, the fishes are not influenced by the electric field and these may escape or remove. When the voltage crosses certain threshold limit or the value, reaction called electrotaxis is represented by the fishes. If the fish is oriented in the transfer position to the current direction, then it turns parallel to it with its head directed towards the anode region. If in a parallel position to the current direction, the body of fish starts vibrating. If a fresh pulse is given, the fish turn parallel to the current direction and start moving towards the anode. It is called galvanotaxis. The fish gets stupefied before reaching the anode. These appear unable to swim and may turn upside down. Such reaction is referred to as a galvanonecrosis. Further, if the electric current is switched off, the narcotized fishes may be able to recover completely. This is the first. Second is the reaction of fishes to a AC. AC means also called alternating current. Above the threshold value of voltage, the fishes represent oscillate axis. All the fishes between the electrodes take up a position transferred to the current direction. Swimming is cheesed and fishes are narcotized. Body color fades. If the electric current is switched off, the fishes do not recover immediately. For about half an hour, the fishes remain in a state of hypnosis. After the period of hypnosis is over, the fishes return to their normal position. Then third is the reaction of fishes to IC, or it is also called interrupted current. Above the threshold value of voltage, fishes represent electrode axis. They undergo the heavy vibration and start moving towards the anode. If the electric current is gradually increased and then abruptly decreased, the fishes turn about and move towards the cathode. IC, or the interrupted current, has the maximum narcotizing effect on the fishes. AC comes next and DC in the last place. So this is the different current reaction. Current applied in the commercial fishing. In the commercial fishing, AC and DC are used in the fresh water while the IC is used in the seawater. Then methodology of electrofishing. Anodic effect produced to capture the fishes on the commercial scale both in freshwater and the seawater. In the case of freshwater, two electrodes are immersed in water, the anode and cathode being 2 raised to 3. In the size, the anode carries a hoop